function in MS Excel. In MS Excel, we have different kind of predefined functions available. You can also create a function by yourself in an easy way. So here first we have to go to the developer tab and you can click the Visual Basic. So if you don't know how to enable the developer tab, there is another video available how to activate the developer tab. Please go through on that. After that you come here. You click here Visual Basic. Then I'm going to write own function insert. I'm clicking module. So in that module you can write a own function add two numbers. I want two numbers. The both numbers are integer, so we are not going to use any fractions. The answer also will be the integer. So the final answer we are going to return to the main screen. So we are using the same thing name, add two numbers a plus b. So now we are getting the result. So once you're getting the result, you play on that functions. It's working fine, there is no error. Now you go to MS Excel, you put equal sign, add two numbers. You can pass any two numbers if you want to get answer. So not only the constant value, you can also give the value here. That value also you can pass E1, E2, you will get. So this is a way you can write a own function in MS Excel. You can write as many as you want more. Thank you for watching it. Subscribe for more videos.